Do you want your Phalaenopsis orchid to grow roots all year round? The real secret is right here. After blooming, my orchid has started to wither and turn yellow. Let's remove the old moss and soil. In the previous video, YouTube user Hilton commented that fertilizer watermelon is very effective. So I'll test it out for everyone to see. Now, let's carefully trim off the rotting roots. It's important to remove any roots that are soft, black, or mushy, as they can affect the overall health of the plant. Where are you tuning in from? Drop your city or country in the comments. I'd love to hear from you and connect. We will cut off the flower spike so that the nutrients can focus on the plant. Don't forget to rinse your orchid thoroughly with clean water. We will use a cloth to gently dry the plant. Rice contains vitamin B1, which stimulates root growth. Let's pour 500 milliliters of warm water. Soak it for 30 minutes. We will use 2 cloves of garlic. Let peel garlic. Garlic has natural antifungal and antibacterial properties, helping to prevent root rot and protect the orchid from diseases. No worries if the language seems difficult. Our videos come with subtitles in over 100 languages, including English, French, German, Japanese, Korean, and more. Next, we will use watermelon. Watermelon contains vitamins such as vitamin A, C, and B6, along with minerals like potassium and magnesium. Place the small pieces of watermelon into the blender. Blend watermelon with garlic. Let's allow the freshly blended solution to rest for 20 minutes. Filter the solution through rails. Let's dilute the solution with 1,000 milliliters of water. It provides the right balance of hydration and nutrients. Next, we combined with rice water. Stir the solution. We will use a cotton pad dipped in this solution to gently wipe the orchid. Are you facing any challenges with orchid care? I'll answer them in the next video. Soak it for 30 minutes. Use cloth to wipe orchids again. Next, we will use cinnamon powder to dry the wound. Cinnamon contains minerals like calcium, iron, and zinc, which help promote healing, prevent infections, and protect the plant from bacteria and fungi. Let the plant rest for a day. After one day, once the plant is dry, we can proceed with replanting the orchid. Place the plant onto the support stake to keep it steady and help the orchid stay upright as it grows. Don't forget to give the plant a little bit of moisture to keep it hydrated. The remaining solution can be used to care for other plants as well. A healthy orchid is the foundation of a healthy orchid garden, right? We will water the orchid with this solution regularly, twice a week, to ensure it gets the right amount of nutrients and stays healthy. Consistency is key to helping it grow strong and vibrant. Five weeks later, the orchid's roots should be significantly healthier and more robust. You'll see a mix of thick, white roots and fresh, healthy green tips. The roots will have grown longer, spreading out to anchor the plant securely. They'll appear firm and strong, indicating the orchid is thriving and absorbing nutrients well from the soil. And that's it for today's orchid care tips. I hope you found this helpful and that your orchids thrive with these simple steps. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more plant care videos. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments and I'll answer them in the next video. Happy gardening!